Hi there, Leah here. Welcome to another episode of Nena the Collector. In today's episode, we will be opening blind boxes picked by my husband. So I have no idea what he got. The only information I have is that they are all new series for me. So series I haven't opened before. Not necessarily new IPs. And I know they are from Pop Mart, Finding Unicorn, and 52 Toys. All bought in the official stores on AliExpress. And again, as always, the links will be down in the description. Okay, so let's start opening the first package. Alright, first package. Okay, so yes, this is a Finding Unicorn box. I'm gonna try to put it here and pick it up, okay? So first one, ooh, Repolar. So this is not just a new series, but it's also a new IP. And that's the Bedtime Story. Nice, cute. Right, so let's reach out for the second one. Ooh, what is this? Oli. Okay, I haven't opened this one before. Cute. Oh my god, this is adorable. They're like beans, right? I think the little figurines are called beans. Cute. I like this too. I'm gonna put it like this. Okay. And ooh. Bob Retro Replays. This is Farmer's Bob, but in like a retro series, and I love the one right at the front because it's like a he has like Bowie's face paint, and I love David Bowie. Okay, it's very cool. Is there anything else? No. All right, so let's move on to the second package. Alright, the second package doesn't even fit on camera, so I'm just gonna open the package side of it and remove the boxes. So I'm guessing this is Pop Mart. Okay. I'm just gonna again pick it up. Oh, Lilios! I haven't opened this one as well. Well, I keep saying that, but everything here I haven't opened. But what I meant is like these IPs so far I haven't opened before. Yeah, this is Pop Mart. Okay, we have a demo. So this is not a new IP, but it's a new series. Time Roman. That's cool too. And that's it for Pop Mart. So we only have the 52 Toys box left here in the corner. I'm gonna keep it here just to make it easier. And picking up the box. Wow, such a big box. Oh, Life of Fantasies. Ah, that's a Sleep Elf. Cool. Happy with this one because I loved my previous one, but it was from a different series. And we have Panda Roll. Yay! That's so cute. That's adorable. It's pandas, but with like cat stuff, like pandas being cats. Is that it? Oh, this is so cool. Okay, that's it. Oh, we got probably a freebie. We got a Sleep Elf badge. That's really cute. Like, it's going straight to my backpack. Okay, let me just clean up and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the haul. I think I might open in the order I pull out. Let's go for that. So we start with the 3 Finding Unicorn ones. We have the again a Repolar, Oli, and Farmer's Bulb, and this is the retro replay. Then we move on to Pop Mart. So we have Lilia's, this is the Citywide Boy, and Jimu Time Roaming. And we will finish up with 52 toys. We have Sleep Elves, this is Life of Fantasy series, and the Panda Roll, and this is Panda the Cat series. And just to start off, I'm gonna just open in camera the badge we got as a freebie from 52 toys, because it's holographic. It's so cute. Let's see if the camera will pick up the holo. Yeah, I think you can see it. That's very cute. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, so let's start with the first box. Alright, let's start with the first one from Finding Unicorn, and this is the Repolar. This is the Bedtime Story. I'm just gonna quickly remove from the plastic just because of the reflection. Alright, out of the plastic. So cute, the design of the box. Alright, and here are the designs. There are 12 designs and 2 secrets. Super cute. They're all kind of based on bedtime stories, which is cool. I would love to get one of the 2 designs from the Wizard of Oz. So you have the lion and you have the Tin Man. Oh, of course they have like different names. So Cat Lover or Forever Heart. But the other ones are really adorable too. So let's open up. I'm just gonna cut the seal. And I'm gonna cut the box too. Okay. There's a big weight right on top. We have this plastic, right? Here. Remove the cut. Oh, look at the bag, so cute. A little sheep. So let's see. Oh, so adorable. I love the feel of it. It's a very, very soft touch mat. I can't remember the name of the tale, but there is like a fairy tale, right, where the guy plays the flutes for the rats. Is that too? I think it was something like that. I love the figure though. So nice. The feel of it is really nice. Very detailed as well. Here's the bag. Look at the cute bow. Has a cute feather as well on his hat. And look at the little shoes. Adorable. And here you have. Cute. Let's have a look at the card to find out the name of the figure. Here is the card. We got the Bard. So adorable. Love the design. A nice first repolar. Cool. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, next one from Finding Unicorn is the Yuli Yuli, and this is the Leisure Life series. They're all like little beings, so little small characters, and this is with like different Finding Unicorn IPs. There are 6 design options, all of them adorable, and 3 hidden designs, and you get 4 little figures in the box. This one has a pull tab. We love that. Well, just in case, let me also remove this. I think we'll be able to use the pull tab. Okay. Oh, nice. They all come like individually packaged in a little tray. I'll be happy with any of the characters. They're all very cute. Let's open the first one. I love them. They look like candy. It's so cute. I might not know the name of all the characters here. Just as a FYI, I think this is a... No, this is not Zoton. Ah, this is a Molinta, yes. This is a Molinta, a baby Molinta. I'm not very good with names, guys, so I'm sorry. Very shiny on a little cloud with a star. Oh, I love that. And I love Molintas, but the difference of the design drew me off. But she's cute. She's adorable. Okay, we got a Molinta. Let's open the second one. This is an Amy. Yeah, this one was easier to recognize. Also very shiny, so cute. In the little cloud too. With, oh, look at the little hat with the bow. Oh. These are adorable. Okay, I can't handle miniature, guys. I love anything miniature. Okay, next one. This is one that I haven't opened before. I don't really remember the name of the IP. So it's Island, it says here. Island is the name of the IP? You correct me if it's wrong, but that's what I I found. Super cute. I haven't opened like a full size figure of this IP yet. They're very adorable. Okay. And the last one. Last one is a Zoton. Yay. Adorable too. Inside the little hat. Island is also inside the little hat instead of on top of a cloud. So cute. The little plastic bow. Oh, I love this. There's no card for it, but let's check the box just to see if we got any of the hidden ones. I don't think we did. No, the 4 ones that we got are exactly these 4. So no hidden this time. Okay, let's move on to the next blind box. Okay, last one for finding unicorn. I'll be opening Farmer Bob, and this is Bob Retro Play. Again, I'm just gonna remove from the plastic. Alright, so we can see it better. As I mentioned, I love the design right front. I would love to get this one. There's a reference to David Bowie. I'm a big fan. Let's see. There are 14. So 12 designs and 2 secrets for this series. They're so nice. Okay, so let's hope I get the chameleon, rock chameleon Bob. That's the one that I really want. Classic white Bob is cute too. The poet as well. The funk as well. It's really cool, the design. The pink beard. Is it focusing? Let's see. Yeah. Right. I'll put the seal in the box. Ooh, this one don't come with a card attached. Nice. Maybe that's a newer thing. Oh, look at the bag. So nice. Let's see. Yay! Oh my god! I will check with him if he bought confirmed, but he didn't mention, so I'm guessing no. No, he's making a big no sign here. Wow, so that's pure luck. Oh my god. I love this so much. I have Bowie and Ziggy Stardust tattooed, so this is amazing. Okay. Great. Look at the red hair with the classic makeup. It has a red guitar, and I love the clothes as well. So cool. I couldn't be happier. I'm so happy. Very shiny figure, I really like, and the hair beard is all like a jelly kind of shine, almost see-through. I love it. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, let's have a look at the card. Okay, here's the card, and I love that the card is an actual card, plastic card. Very cool. So Rock Million Bob. I can't believe I got the one that I wanted. And my husband just reminded me as well that it couldn't be confirmed because he bought from the official shop. So yeah, I am over the moon with this one. Let's move on to Pop Mart boxes. Okay, moving on to Pop Mart. We'll start with Lilia's, and I mentioned this, I haven't opened any Lilia's before, and this is the Citywide Boy series. So cute. Very cute. There are 12 designs in this series. And a secret. Okay, let's see. I like all. Forest Guide is really cute. What else? The Spring Elf. Even the Nota King is very cute too. The Enchanter as well. But almost dropped the box. Well, as I don't have any, you already know the drill, right? I'll be happy with it. Let's open it. Then after enjoying some very nice funny unicorn bags, not just simple boring Pop Mart ones. I do some special ones time and time again, but could do for all of them. Okay, I think we got the Enchanter. I'm lucky in this video. I'm getting designs that I really want. I think he's supposed to be holding one. Let's see. It's not inside the bag. Maybe it is. Yes, inside the box. Here it is. There is a stand and his accessory, that is a wand with a spell ghosty thing coming out. So cute. Let's put him up without struggling, Leah, please. Okay, that's all right. And look at the wand. Let's see if I can show you. It's focusing. Yay. has a little face on the, almost look like a fishy spell. And there goes on his hand. Okay, is it in? I think so. Oh gosh, look at this. The little friend here. Green eyes. Very nice eyes. Very nice shading too. And look at his outfit. So adorable. He has another friend coming out of his pocket. Little feather. I like the shading on his hair as well. Very nice gradient and texture. Very cool. Oh, I loved this figure. Is it too early to say that I want more of it? Okay, I want more. Super cute. Let's have a look at the card. Okay, so here it is. We got the enchanter. I love the art for the card as well. Very cool. And here is the back. Right, let's hope my luck continues like this for the rest of the video. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the last one from Pop Mart will be the Temu, and this is the Time Roaming series. This is an older series if I'm not mistaken, but really cute. I haven't got many Temus anyway, so they're all kind of new to me. There are 12 designs as well in the series and 2 secrets. So I'll go down the designs. They are like kind of historical, retro inspired designs. And here are the 2. So we have a super secret and a secret. Designs that I like. I really like the contemporary artist design. He's adorable. The video game boy. The navigator one is cute too. The Imperial Guards bubblegum. Look at this one. Let it focus. Will it focus? Here. Selfie with Newton's apple. That's adorable. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Oh my god, that's so cute. Which one is this? It's kind of like Dali inspired, right? With the melting clocks and very vibrant colors. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It comes with something. Let me just open up. It comes with a little door. And this is the other side. Interesting. They're open? Yes. Oh, that's so cool. Look. Did we get a secret? Oh, wait. I think we did. Let me just confirm. Yes, we actually got the super secret. Wow. Okay, it's the first time I get a secret. Never mind a super secret. That's really cool. Hey, look at this. Wow. I love Temu shading. It's always very, very nice. And he's like driving a little hover cart thing. So adorable. Look at this. Very cool. I thought the figure was quite heavy. It's a big figure plus the... So it comes with a little door, like with a time portal looking thing, which is very nice. Look. Oh, I'm so happy. This is a very lucky video. Okay. Let's have a look at the card. And look at the card. Even the card, like, so special. So this is the time manipulator design, and it's the super secret. I can't believe it. That's very nice. And this is the back. Okay. I might be wasting all of my luck here in this video. Let's hope we continue like this. Let's move on. Okay, we're moving on to 52 toys, and this is the Sleep Elves Life of Fantasy series. Very big box. I have opened one of the Sleep Elves before and I absolutely loved the figure. And this is probably gonna be no different. The box itself, it's already very nice. It's a bit shiny. It has a nice texture to it. There are 8 designs and 2 secrets for the series, the 2 in the middle. And oh my god, the designs are stunning. Stunning. Let's see if I can, show you better. They are all very beautiful. I loved the Birth of All Things design. Look how pretty she is. I love the colors as well, very different. There's one that's like a snow globe, winter slumber. This one is very beautiful too, Whispering Breeze. They are so nice. I love the design for this series. They come on a blister. They don't come in the blind bag. Ooh, wow. Got the one right at the front. She's so beautiful. Just put the box aside. Oh wow, look at this. Okay. With this series, there's no way you will be unlucky because they're all beautiful. Only if you had figures from this series. Look at this. Well, first, it's very heavy. Very heavy figure. And 2, the color scheme. It's so beautiful. The whole Zephyr bird is like pearlescent with the gradient of pastel colors that is so beautiful. And inside you have the elf, and she's sitting like on a yellow gradient cloud. And look at the color of her hair. Oh, I love this. Green and purple, they're complementary colors and they work just so well together. Actually, the 3 colors here. I'm sorry, I'm being a color nerd now, but the 3 colors, they're complementary colors, like purple, yellow, and green. This is really cool. The shading as well on the figure. The feathers inside of the wings as well. Amazing. Very, very nice figure. Beautiful. Okay, so let me get the card. Okay, here's the card, and it's a see-through card. So nice too, very different. And look at the art. I'm sorry, you're gonna be able to see the ring light here. So this is the Maya Zephyr design. Look at the art. Beautiful. 52 toys. Always delivers. Okay. Let's move on to the last box. Okay, last one. we have Panda Roll, and this is Panda is a cat series. So Panda doing like cat things, which couldn't be more adorable and couldn't be more up my alley. So we have Panda that is a cute, very cute animal doing cat things. Amazing. So you have 8 designs and 2 secrets for this series. Look at them. And this one laying on the crutcher, so cute. And this one looking at the fish too. And here is the other side with the 2 secrets. Happy with any. Any. Let's open up. Haven't opened a Panda Roll before, so that would be nice as well. There is accessories. I promise I'm not looking, I'm just putting them down so they don't get spoiled. And the card is right here too. Oh gosh, okay. I was able to avoid the spoilers. Oh, look at the design. Cute. Where can I open this? Here, perfect. Very easy. Oh, it's flopped. I can feel it. Okay, so here's Panda. Oh my god. Oh, adorable. Very nice flocking with shading, and look at the eyes. Nose. Okay, let's get the accessory now. Here it is. We have a puddle and the little mug. Let's see how I place. Maybe like this. I think probably like this. Oh, so cute. Look at this. Panda mug. So it's probably like looking down on the mess he made. Just like a cat. Loves to drop stuff. Oh my god, this is adorable. Very, very cute. This is the first panda figure I get. Yes, it is. I love pandas. Okay, let's have a look at the card. Okay, look at the card as well. Looks like a food can, like a cat food can. And there it is. So it looks like he dropped it with his bum. Oh my god, I can't handle it, the cutest. Okay. Panda Panic, I think it is a translated name, but if it is not, I'll correct in the screen. And here is the back. I'll see if we can also have a look at what this means, because there's like different readings for different stuff here. Adorable! Alright, so once again, my husband provided us with a very cool haul. He knows me very well, he knows how to buy boxes. And I love when I don't know what I'm opening, and I think he does also enjoy watching my reaction. Favorites. Oh, gosh, this is a difficult one. I got a figure that it was like 1 out of 12 chance, and it was like the perfect figure for me. I got a super secret, and that elf, Sleep Elf figure is also beautiful. Very difficult. Very difficult. I don't know, it's cool that I got a super secret in one of the videos, but I think I'm gonna have to go with Farmer Bob, because this is perfect for me. I'm a huge fan of David Bowie, and that design is amazing. So yeah, I'll go with the Rock Chameleon figure. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We post videos every Friday. And also, let's set a different challenge here as well. Put it in the comments if you watch it this far. How many times my cat meowed in this video. Let's do a meow count in the comment section, okay? Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!